In this video, tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-send ng eCash to eCash. So, dealer to dealer po tayo. So, once na-open nyo na yung system, ito na yung lalabas. So, click mo lang yung send money. Kung example, meron kang business partner unified na gusto ng eCash, pwede kayong mag-send to send eCash to eCash. Zero charge. So, ayan. So, send to unified pay, then amount, then transaction password, then click mo lang next, then confirm and send, then which OTP security would you like to proceed with. So napaka security yung ating system kasi merong mga security procedure para hindi talaga ma-hack. Okay, so punta ka sa email mo para makita mo yung OTP. Pwede din sa mobile. Okay, so refresh natin yan. So ito yung OTP. Okay, submit code. Ayan, so successfully sent na. So, sinend ko sa aking another account kasi I have multiple account. So, for example, mayroong residual sa another account mo, residual income, pwede mong isend sa pinaka huling account mo para doon ka mag-transact, para magamit mo for transaction. So, yun lang po ang pag-send ng eCash to eCash sa ating business partner. So, thank you so much for watching and good morning.